But this is it.
Jesus Christ.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the side chick or side dude. I'm just kidding. Did you hear what I said?
No.
Good. He would have left me for real. So we came because
Get the tickets?
yeah, they're in my purse.
Are you sure?
Yeah, put them in there. We can use that later, no? Or it's right there, no?
We only need to go one.
It's right there, no?
It's all we can.
But I see doors over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can stop burping. We came to the mall and we're gonna watch. What are we gonna watch? We're gonna watch Captain Marvel, and then we're gonna walk around the mall right now because all of the movie theaters or seats are taken at like 5, 6, 7 ish. So we're gonna buy the tickets because we have black tickets, like the ones that you like give to people as presents, and his cousin gave it to him for his what? For Christmas. So we're gonna go purchase the tickets and then walk around. So yeah. Hey guys, so we bought our tickets. It took forever. I think it took us like 20 minutes in line. And then we bought the tickets where it's like 5 something, and we had to buy them at 8:15 because the rest of them were completely packed, and if we were gonna choose like someone closer to this time, like we would literally be breaking our necks and looking up at the screen like this. So we got the one at 8:15. So we're just gonna be walking around the store right now. I want to go to Lush because I know they have a Lush here. And then we also have coupons for Yogurtland. So, oh, here it is. Lush. I think I want to get some like bath bombs or like a face mask. I'll see right now, but I'll take you guys in with me. I love Lush so damn much. Okay, so I'm gonna get the number 6. And I want to look something for my hair. Just don't know which one. Give me a second. Okay, so I got my Lush. I got a bubble bar, and it's the number 6 one or whatever. Oh, we have a Tesla store.
What the?
Hold up, you guys.
I haven't even been in here that long.
They have like an actual Tesla store.
No, can we look at
Yeah, let's go.
I'll have a friend that looks.
I feel a little poor to go in there. I'm gonna turn off the camera because I'm scared of for them to tell me I can't record. So I'm in Morphe, the Morphe store. Okay, let's go.
What? That surprised you?
I like Morphe. I feel like, honestly, like, okay, I love Morphe, but it's so hyped up. I feel like I see so many people using it. I feel like I use it myself at some point. So I'm just like,
Where are we going?
no, Nordstrom rack.
Where?
Nordstrom.
What the fuck is, I don't even know what that is.
You wanna go upstairs then?
What's the,
Let's just go upstairs.
wait, what's Nordstrom? I don't know what that is.
It's just basically a clothing store, but they also have makeup like for discounted price.
We could go.
Nah, let's just go upstairs.
You know that wasn't even a quarter of the mall.
It's okay. I'm too scared to fall. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. So, tell your experience about Tesla.
About what?
About. Oh my god, puta madre. You guys,
Oh, about the Teslas?
I'm low-key kind of scared of like escalators because I feel like I'm like, shit. I'm really scared. Oh my god, so This mall is super big. If you guys live in California, in the LA area, I'll leave the directions in the description box down below. It's such a good mall. It literally has every single store you can think of. Morphe, Lush, the Mac store, Urban Decay, PacSun, like they literally have everything here. Everything. And then Chris just said, if you guys didn't hear him, that there's a Gucci store. He thinks. But look how big this mall is. It's super big. It's 2 stories. I was just in the Morphe store, and now we're going into PacSun. So yeah.
You could probably find clothes here.
I don't want anything from here. I'm not into PacSun. In the mini store. Look how many bears there is. Holy cow. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the fuck? I was like, look.
And there's more. There's like little elephants. This is like one of the biggest stores I've been in. I'm normally not in such big little stores. They literally have everything here.
Oh my god.
This is such a big store. What? Oh, little. Oh, maybe there's a peanut. Oh, they have the jelly bras. I hear a lot of people talking about this, but they don't ever have my cups. My size double D bitch. Those are bees. So, nowhere to be found. Huh? Little cosmetic bags. I have so many though. But it's a really pretty color. The little travel size things. It's cute. Oh my god.
What the fuck is this?
They have so much cute stuff here.
Okay, well, I didn't mean to push it all the way.
They have like cute pink, blue. Holy cow, this is cute. Look how cute this is. Isn't it my aesthetic? I feel like it's so tiny though. These are cute. If you guys watched last videos, we tried those Hello Panda stuff. They were pretty good. Ooh. How much are the drinks?
Oh, that shit was nasty.
They have matcha? Should I try the matcha? Let me get the matcha.
Don't get that.
Brushes. A little. Oh, you know, can you hold this? I've been looking for fucking lashes. I need lashes. These are hella cute. They're so big for me.
I feel like this may make easier.
These are cute. I just don't know how much these are. Oh my god. They have little eggplants. Oh my god, it's so squishy.
Yeah, boy.
This place is so cute. Tell you guys need to go to. This is a mini moisturizing portable sprayer. It's right.
This is actually very cold.
I really want some. that's all I'm gonna get. I'm just really thirsty. Do you want anything? Want some soda?
Just get a fucking drink from the food court.
Okay. So I'm gonna try the matcha tea or whatever. Can you open it? Can you take off the lid? It tastes like watered down matcha, but it's not bad. So it's currently, go baby. It's currently 7, and we're going to the car because, I mean, we walked around the whole store already. Okay, so we're back at the car. We're gonna be waiting here for like an hour and 15 minutes.
Nah, we'll be here for like 45.
Okay, we're gonna be here for a little until we go watch the movie. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought, which I didn't buy a lot. You guys saw everything except the one place I did go. Other than Lush, which is Forever 21. So they had some good sales for some reason. So everyone knows, and if you don't know, you will know right now. Everyone knows that I love pineapples. And I found this bathing suit. I'm pretty sure it's like a bathing suit. I'm more than likely to take it with me to Texas. Because last year we went with my sister's friend to her house. And we swam in her pool. And look how adorable this is. This is so freaking cute. And it was for $10. And it was on sale for $3 freaking dollars. And I could not pass that up. Like, hello, pineapples. My aesthetic. And then Chris is laying down. And then I got this underwear. I was in the mood to buy underwear. And oh my god, this underwear right here costed $1 freaking dollar. And even though the thing says $2, it came out to $1. So I have no idea why. But this is it.
Jesus Christ. Are you hearing all that? What the fuck is going on?
That's scary.
What the fuck is going on?
I'm scared. Okay. And then the last, oh no, I have one more thing. And then I also bought, okay, so I also bought this one right here. This one was $2.90. And then the last thing I bought is for Chris, but I'm gonna put it on too, because I want to. Is these nose pore strips. He has a lot of blackheads on his nose.
Hey.
Sorry, baby.
What the?
But he's been trying to get rid of them, and I tried too, but like the methods that I tried once, it really hurt him, and it kind of like peeled off a layer of his skin on his nose, and for like a while he had like a little bit of like missing skin. It's like when you get dry skin and like it's gone. So, oh my god, I didn't even open them to count how much they were in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so they come with.
Did you feel the car shake?
No. Well, it's because cars were passing by, baby.
Jesus Christ, man, I feel like my whole car was shaking.
I would have left running out of this fucking parking lot. Okay, so these are the nose strips. We're gonna try them at home. I'll probably show you guys like if they work out or not, because they were only $3.90, and they also had a full kit that it feels so weird. They also had a full kit that actually had like the charcoal clay, but these are just the strips. So we've tried the clay ones before and they didn't work out. We got them like I think at Marshall's or Ross for like maybe $6-8. So these are only $3 and they come with 6, so I think it's a really good deal, and we're gonna try them out when we get home. And let me show you guys the bath bomb that I got.
The number 6?
Yeah, the lady told me that it's limited edition, so if you guys want to go buy one, you guys can, but it might be until they finish, until they're all gone, or until May. She's not sure, but I think you guys should go. So this is it was only $6, hence the number 6. There was pink ones and blue ones, and I got the pink one, of course. It smells so freaking good. And she said that I could reuse it because it is a pretty big bar. I'll probably use, like, honestly, I'll probably get a lot of, like...
Can I touch it?
Yeah.
That looks wrong.
I'll probably get a lot of uses out of it. She said that all I have to do is, like, hold it out, like, down, and there should be, like, a lot of bubbles, and then I could just, like, pat it dry and reuse it as many times as I want to. But honestly, I think I'm gonna just, like, rip out chunks. So I could probably get, like, 8 uses, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 uses, because I'm gonna use like each little corner, because apparently these create a lot of bubbles. So,
I actually want to see that.
Huh?
I actually want to see that.
I'll show you guys a video. I think I might take a bubble bath tonight, but I don't know. And then obviously I got the stupid matcha tea, which is, it tastes really watered down, but whatever. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. I'll see you guys later. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Say it.
I can't.
Come on.
I was like, wait, what the fuck do you want me to say?
Come on.
Alright, wait up.
You have to say the whole line. Be like, if you have not subscribed to my girlfriend's channel, y'all better subscribe. If not, I'm gonna fucking press y'all. No, I'm just kidding.
Jesus Christ.
Go.
No, I just have to say please subscribe.
Yeah.
Alright, go. Well, you have to say it again.
Okay guys, so this is gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have not subscribed, please
subscribe
to my channel and make sure you guys hit that notification bell.
Ah,
yay!
yes.
Please hit the notification bell to get notified every single time I post another stupid video like this one. So I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys like this video, and bye.
Oh my, this lighting.